We're in downtown San Mateo, and we are here to have some dessert. What are we here to have? Taiyaki ice cream. We're here to have taiyaki ice cream. At where? Yeah, at UJI Dessert. We're gonna have taiyaki ice cream. And there's Yifeng. There's Koja Kitchen and lots of and Phil's Coffee. Lots of good places, and it's a Sunday afternoon. It's not that crowded. This is the menu. So step 1. What are you gonna have? A cup, cone, or a taiyaki cone?
Cup.
What? Are we here to have taiyaki ice cream though?
Oh,
Yeah. So taiyaki cone with, okay, step 2. With matcha and 2 free toppings. What are our toppings? I don't know what the toppings are. Oh, we'll find out. 中行ったらわかる。
それがいいですよね。
Okay, let's go in. There's sprinkles, kinako, matcha powder, azuki, red bean. There's a chocolate stick. Do you want a chocolate stick? Wow. Look at this. すごいね。サービスしてくれた? They're nice. They gave us extra. 外していいよ. You can take off your mask. Oishii? Is it sweet?
Not sweet.
Bitter? A little bitter and a little sweet? Kento, how is it? How is it, Kento? You like it? There's lots of people now. Can you go ask? Can we eat indoors? ちょっとお店の中で食べていいのかちょっと確認してからね。Okay, Serena asked if we can eat indoors. Is it really a taiyaki shape? Look at this. ちょっとかわいそうなことになってるね。It's a little sad. I think maybe I should put it back. Should I put it back? Yeah? Okay. It's hollow inside. We found that out. 中空っぽ。Ube. Yeah. In Hawaii, we had something similar. And we had ube ice cream. What color is the ube ice cream?
I think it was purple.
Yeah, it was purple. It's potato. So the food in Hawaii was nice. We had lots of sweets, right? Lots of shaved ice and ice cream. So how are you going to eat the taiyaki? So the taiyaki is a little warm right now. Oh, make it look pretty. It's hard. Oishii?
It's not coffee.
It's soft?
It's like mochi.
Like mochi? Whoa, that's a big bite. Oh. You have a matcha mustache. Not a milk mustache, but a matcha mustache. Oh.
Stop.
So there's also black sesame and tofu and hojicha flavor. And I heard they're all not that sweet, like just the right amount of sweetness. And I heard that the tofu one is very like tofu. So I'm curious about that one, but I don't think you guys read that. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna like it. So did we finish our taiyaki ice cream? We finished it. And do you want more? Yes. So this is downtown San Mateo. Yeah, we're gonna cross the street. So how do you read this?
Island.
Yes, thank you. Poke Island. Poke も結構人気あるよね。Poke's popular too. But it's not open right now. There's lots of Asian sweets and Asian food places here.
Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Okay, let's go to the car.